As someone who has been using the Epic Water Filters Pure Filter Pitcher for several months now, I can confidently say it's one of the best investments I've made for my family's health and well-being. Let me share my comprehensive review of this impressive water filtration system. Initial impressions. When I first received the Epic Pure Water Filter Pitcher, I was immediately struck by its sleek design and sturdy construction. The pitcher is made of BPA-free Triton plastic, which feels durable and high quality. At 10 cups, 2.3 liters capacity, it's generously sized to provide plenty of filtered water for my household without taking up too much space in the refrigerator. The pitcher comes with one filter included, which is rated to last for 150 gallons or about 3 to 4 months of regular use. I appreciated that the package included clear instructions for setup and use. Setup and ease of use. Setting up the Epic Pure Pitcher was straightforward. After a quick rinse of the pitcher and components, I soaked the filter for 15 minutes as directed. Then I simply inserted the filter into the reservoir and filled it with tap water. One feature I really like is the flip-top lid, which makes refilling easy without having to remove the entire top. The water dam in the reservoir prevents unfiltered water from mixing with filtered water when pouring, which is a thoughtful design element. The pitcher also has an LED indicator in the lid that counts down from 90 days, reminding you when it's time to change the filter. This takes the guesswork out of filter replacement timing. Filtration performance. The Epic Pure's filtration capabilities are truly impressive. It's designed to remove over 200 known water contaminants, including lead, fluoride, chlorine and chloramine, PFAS/FOA, forever chemicals, heavy metals, pesticides and herbicides, microplastics, pharmaceuticals. What sets this pitcher apart is that it's been independently tested to meet or exceed NSF/ANSI standards 42, 53, 401, and P473. This gives me confidence that it's actually removing the contaminants it claims to. In my experience, the difference in water quality is noticeable. The filtered water tastes clean and pure, without any chlorine smell or aftertaste. Even when using it to make coffee or tea, I can taste the improvement. Filtration speed and capacity. One potential drawback of such thorough filtration is that it can be slower than some other pitcher filters. In my testing, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to filter a full reservoir. While not instantaneous, I find this reasonable given the level of contaminant removal. The 10-cup capacity means I only need to refill it once or twice a day for my family's drinking and cooking needs. The long filter life of 150 gallons is also convenient, as I don't have to change filters as frequently as with some other brands. Build quality and durability. After several months of daily use, I'm impressed with how well the Epic Pure Pitcher has held up. The plastic remains clear without any signs of staining or degradation. The lid fits securely, and I haven't experienced any leaks when pouring. One minor issue I've noticed is that the flip-top lid can sometimes flop open when pouring out the last bit of water. However, this is easily remedied with a slight adjustment in pouring technique. Cost considerations. While the initial cost of the Epic Pure Pitcher is higher than some basic filtration pitchers, I believe it offers excellent value when you consider its superior filtration capabilities. The long-lasting filters, 150 gallons each, help offset the cost over time. Additionally, using this pitcher has significantly reduced my household's reliance on bottled water, leading to both cost savings and reduced plastic waste. Environmental impact. Speaking of plastic waste, I appreciate that Epic Water Filters is committed to sustainability. The pitcher itself is made from recyclable materials, and the company offers a recycling program for used filters. By using this pitcher instead of bottled water, I estimate we're preventing hundreds of plastic bottles from entering the waste stream each year. This aligns well with my family's efforts to reduce our environmental footprint. Comparison to other filtration methods. Prior to using the Epic Pure, I had tried various other water filtration methods, including basic pitcher filters and faucet-mounted systems. While those options improved taste to some degree, they didn't offer the same level of contaminant removal as the Epic Pure. I also considered a reverse osmosis system, but was concerned about the removal of beneficial minerals. The Epic Pure's filter is designed to retain healthy trace minerals like calcium and magnesium while removing harmful contaminants. This gives me the best of both worlds. clean water that still contains beneficial minerals. Potential drawbacks. In the interest of providing a balanced review, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. The pitcher is not dishwasher safe, so it requires hand washing. As mentioned earlier, the filtration process is slower than some less comprehensive filters. The pitcher is on the heavier side when full, which might be an issue for some users. However, for me, these minor inconveniences are far outweighed by the benefits of superior water quality. Customer service and company reputation. While I haven't had any issues requiring customer service, I've been impressed with Epic Water Filters' transparency. They publish full test results for their filters on their website, which demonstrates confidence in their product's performance. The company also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty on the pitcher, which provides peace of mind for the purchase. Long-term satisfaction. After using the Epic Pure Water Filter Pitcher for several months, I can confidently say it has exceeded my expectations. The improvement in our water quality is noticeable, and I appreciate the peace of mind knowing that we're drinking water free from a wide range of contaminants. The convenience of having clean, great-tasting water always available has increased our water consumption, contributing to better overall hydration for my family. It's also been a hit when we have guests over, who often comment on how good the water tastes. So, should you buy it? In conclusion, I wholeheartedly recommend the Epic Water Filters Pure Filter Pitcher for anyone looking to improve their drinking water quality. Its superior filtration capabilities, thoughtful design, and commitment to sustainability make it stand out in a crowded market of water filter pitchers. While it may require a slightly higher upfront investment than basic filters, I believe the Epic Pure offers excellent value for the level of filtration it provides. The peace of mind knowing that my family is drinking water free from a wide range of contaminants is truly priceless. If you're concerned about water quality and want a convenient, effective solution, the Epic Pure Water Filter Pitcher is definitely worth considering. It has certainly made a positive impact on my family's daily life, and I'm confident it can do the same for others seeking cleaner, healthier drinking water.